In this video from countlab.co.uk we'll be showing you how to change the memory protection battery. The purpose of the memory protection battery is literally as it says, is to protect the memory, e.g. your programming. So for example on a CountlLab 4, 5 and 6, this could be the name on the top of your receipt that you've set up, or department names, something like that. So the battery's there to retain that information when the machine is powered off. So if the machine is powered on all the time, then obviously it's not using the battery. But if, say for example, you're taking the machine to a show and it's unplugged, then the battery then kicks in. Now obviously over a period of time, and there's no kind of set time on that because obviously it depends on how much the battery is used, then this will need replacing. So to replace the battery, it's a fairly simple procedure. Firstly, you turn the machine over after you've removed it from the base. We have another video on showing you how to remove it from the base if you don't know. So simply turn the machine over. In this occasion I'm going to unplug it from the mains. Now if I unplug this from the mains and I'm changing the battery, then what that will mean is it will lose the information that's obviously stored into it, because currently there's no power going into the machine and we're going to remove the battery. If you've got a qualified technician that's capable of doing it, then you can do this still remaining with the power in, and then that way it will retain it, but that's only obviously suitable if you're qualified to do that. So first thing you need to do is to remove the screws. So the top and bottom cases are held together by the screws on the side here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for the purpose of this video, I've actually just already pre-removed these screws. You then take the top case off, or the bottom case off, and move it to one side. And here we can see the power board, comms boards, printer, keyboard, key lock, and the main board. And if I move these cables out of the way, you should see down here is the button battery. So this button battery here is your memory protection battery. It's a standard battery, and you simply remove this battery and replace it in exactly the same way as what it came out, and that then updates the memory protection battery. To put the machine back together again, it's literally the same as the process as what you've done, but in reverse. So again, once you've replaced the battery, simply put the cases on, making sure that this cable here, this is the power cable which gives power to the main board from the main PSU, hasn't come adrift. Sit the cases on, making sure the on-off switch is in place, and then simply put the screws back into situ, connect it back to the base, plug the power in, and that's the memory protection battery changed. Thank you for watching this video from countlab.co.uk.